Dear students, welcome to this session on comprehension section of unit number 7, that is tobacco and your health. And again, it is very important lesson, and we need to understand the hazards and the dangers of smoking. So the very first question here is, describe the warning written on the packets of cigarettes. So we may write the answer because the warning written on a pack of cigarettes actually informs people about the serious dangers of smoking, and it alerts smoker that it contains poisonous substance which can damage the body, and that is why most governments make it compulsory for cigarette manufacturer to print such warnings so that people are aware of the health risks before they are using tobacco. So that should be the answer to the very first question, dear students. Question number 2, dear students, is identify the dangers of cigarette smoking. So actually cigarette smoking is extremely dangerous because it contains harmful substances like nicotine, carbon monoxide and tar. So these the effect of these chemicals is that they increase the heart rate, there is blood pressure and reduce oxygen in the blood. And smoking is also a cause of serious diseases such as chronic bronchitis and the lung cancer. And smoking also weakens the lungs natural cleaning system. So these are all harmful impact of smoking on the human body. Question number 3, dear students, is explain the ways tobacco damages health. So tobacco actually damages health in so many ways. It affects health by affecting the heart, blood, and the lungs. So these are the main areas where tobacco affects. It narrows blood vessels and forces the heart to work harder and reduce oxygen supply. And the tar, which is also present in tobacco, that damages lung tissues and blocks air tubes, while the nicotine element actually that causes the addiction, which makes it harder for the smokers to leave it. Tobacco use also leads to lung diseases, cancer, and breathing problems, and it makes the body weak over time. So that is how the tobacco damages our health. Question number 4, dear students, is illustrate the three most dangerous substances. So the three most dangerous substances in the cigarette are nicotine, carbon monoxide, and tar. Nicotine actually causes the blood vessels to get narrow and causes addiction. Carbon monoxide actually replaces oxygen in the blood, lowering oxygen levels. And tar, it damages lung tissues and slows the process of erection of cilia, and it blocks air passages, which actually leads to bronchitis and lung cancer. So these are the three most dangerous substances, and we have also seen how they affect our health as well. Question number 5, dear students, is explain the reasons of blood vessels becoming narrow. So blood vessels actually become narrow because of the nicotine which is present in cigarette smoke. Nicotine actually causes the blood vessels to tighten. It reduces blood flow in the body, and as a result of this, the heart has to work harder to pump blood. So this extra pressure weakens the heart and increases the risk of serious health problems such as heart attacks and bronchitis and breathing issues. So all these are the problems related to blood vessels. We have come to the question number 6, which says the reasons of oxygen level lowering in smoker's body. So the oxygen level in smoker body is lower due to carbon monoxide, which is present in cigarette smoke. Actually, this poisonous gas replaces the portion of oxygen in the blood, and as a result, less oxygen reaches body organs and tissues, and it makes the smokers feel weak, and it increases the risk of heart and lung diseases. So that is how the reasons of oxygen level lowering can be explained in a short answer. Question number 7 is mention the way a smoker suffers from bronchitis, chronic. So actually, a smoker suffers from bronchitis when cigarette smoker replaces the lining, the cilia of the bronchial tube, And this irritation actually causes the fuse to produce excessive mucus, which blocks the air passages. And due to this blockage, the smoker has to cough continuously, clear the mucus, leading to breathing difficulty and long which is the chronic bronchitis and the lung cancers as well. Now we have come to the eighth question, and it is difficult to quit smoking. This is why. So actually, it is difficult to quit smoking because the body becomes addicted to smoking because of the nicotine which is present. When smokers do not get nicotine, they experience nervous reactions. Means the body gets nervous. The first few days are the hardest as the body demands nicotine. Strong willpower is required, though eventually the body learns to function without it. So, smoking is quite difficult to quit, definitely, and the best thing is not to start it. Now we have question 9 at hand, and it says in which way does a non-smoker get affected? So, a non-smoker is a person who is not actually smoking a cigarette, but who is present at a place where somebody else is smoking. So, he gets affected by smoking through the passive smoking. So, when they inhale smoke from nearby smokers, they breathe in all the poisonous substances, and nearly two-thirds of the cigarette smoke enters the surrounding air. So, it is quite dangerous to be there when somebody else is smoking. So, this smoke damages the body in the same way as it harms the smoker and increases the risk of bronchitis, lung cancer, and all other diseases. The last question is our hand, dear students, and it restates the international no smoking symbol. So let us start with the answer. The international no smoking symbol is actually a picture of burning cigarette with a single or double line drawn across it. That means not to use it. So this symbol actually represents prohibition of smoking in public places. It is used worldwide to warn people about smoking restrictions and to protect non-smokers, and that is why we have now the smoking corners. Non-smokers from the harmful effects of the cigarette smoke. So with that, dear students, we have come to the end of this exercise, and I hope you must now have a clear understanding of the questions given at the end of your passage, and you will be able to write your answers as well. Thank you very much, dear students.